All right, we are in early warning weather alert mode due to the dangerous combination of heat and humidity. Also, that air quality alert that runs until 11 o'clock tonight. And we have to get through about another day or so before some big relief comes in with the cold front on schedule for tomorrow. More on that in just a moment. So far, as of yesterday, the average temperature for the Hartford area, 78 degrees, on track to be the hottest July and hottest month since records have been kept. And they go back to 1905. And as of the last hour or so, we officially have our fourth heat wave of the year. All, of course, happening in this month alone. And our number of 90-degree days so far in July up to 18, which is a new record, surpassing the prior record of 17 days from July of 2016. So here's a look at the numbers currently across the state. Upper 80s and low 90s inland, and from 83 in Groton to 86 for New Haven and also for Bridgeport. But dew point values, they are up in the say 70 to 75 degree range in many communities. So when you factor in that high humidity with the actual air temperature, even along the shoreline, Groton almost to the 90-degree mark, feeling like 94 for New Haven, 98 in our capital city, 92 for Torrington and as well in Tolland, and 97 currently at Bradley International. So our icam view from our capital city looking to the southeast, showing a lot of hazy sunshine, and we can expect more of the same. Some clouds will begin developing as we head through the afternoon. Some of those could produce a brief heavy downpour, some vivid lightning as well. And our view from New Haven showing dry conditions, at least for now, but not the best visibility with all that haze out there. So temperatures this afternoon away from the sound, say 90 to 95, and from the mid 80s to low 90s as you head from eastern coastal Connecticut farther west toward Fairfield County. So it's going to be a hot one for sure all across the state. For the time being, early warning pinpoint Doppler, I should say, was scanning clear and dry, but we are now detecting a storm that is developing to the west of the 395 corridor. So this is just happening, unfolding, of course, the power of the state's only live Doppler radar right over Hampton right now. We do have a downpour that is developing. I'll put this into motion and show you how it has just really popped up here in the last couple of moments there right over Hampton. So again, the storms that do pop up are going to be slow movers, just like yesterday. So the threat is there for the heavy rain to lead to some poor drainage nuisance type flooding, and then as well with these perhaps little small hail, some gusty wind, and they're going to be kind of scattered around the region well in advance of a cold front that's on the approach from the west. So dew point values region-wide on the oppressive side for sure, and they're going to remain up until this cold front off to our west clears Connecticut, and that won't happen until tomorrow night. And with the cold front arriving later tomorrow, that's when we'll get the best chance statewide for some rain and as well some embedded thunderstorms. So here's how it all times out on Futurecast. At noon today, you'll see how things start to light up a bit across the state. Again, isolated in nature, the development for today. And then once the sun sets, those storms that pop up should diminish. And then overnight, we'll see a mainly clear sky, areas of fog by early tomorrow morning. Then tomorrow, say at 7 o'clock in the morning, some sunshine, then clouds will be on the increase. And during, say, the 1 o'clock hour tomorrow, 2 o'clock, storms start developing and pushing through southern New England. Could be strong, potentially severe. So we're actually extending our early warning weather alert for one more day, given the threat for some strong storms tomorrow, as well as some heavy rain. Once the front moves through, this is a great graphic, Futurecast showing the drop in dew point. Here's Thursday, 7 o'clock in the morning. Notice as we head through the course of the day, the wind turns more west to northwesterly, drier air filters in, the numbers go into the 50s. So a refreshing change by Thursday afternoon. So on our 7-day forecast, temperatures near 90 tomorrow, so it could be a 4-day heat wave, and then mid 80s on Thursday. So not a huge drop in temperature, Kara, but at least relatively speaking, it's going to be a little bit cooler, but the humidity will be down as well. So for Friday,
makes such a difference.
A huge difference. Friday, a couple showers, and the upcoming weekend looks primarily dry. Can't rule out an isolated shower or storm, but morning lows in the 60s, afternoon highs seasonable right into the mid 80s, and for shoreline highs this weekend, lower 80s for Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah. What a steamy July we have had.
Yeah, and happy to close the chapter tomorrow for sure.
Absolutely. Yeah.